My name is Daboikiabo Warmate. Daboikiabo Warmate, that is my name. Warmate, yes, W-A-R-M-A-T, Warmate is my name. And I'm the leader of the Consigned PDP League. And that is the group that is here today.
Okay, why are you here?
Yes, we are here because we are consigned as party faithfuls and as Nigerians. As Nigerians first, and as PDP faithfuls that have been in the party since the creation of this party, the establishment of this party. And we are seeing what is going on. And we felt that today it is expedient for us to address our PDP faithfuls and also Nigerians. That number one, why we're here, we want a situation whereby Nigeria will not slide into a one-party state. And that is the primary aim we are here. Yes. And in so doing, we want the party to make sure that the party leadership to rally round the acting national chairman, Ambassador Umar Damagu. You see, we want to also use this opportunity because my people said someone that does not have, my people said, best way no get shoulder, let they go war, where they carry walking stick fight. Yes. If PDP is not united, Nigeria will slide into a one-party state. And Damagu, as the acting national chairman, has performed beyond the imagination of every faithful member of this party. Damagu has done a lot for this party. Yes, his silence alone is gold. It's golden. And we have said that no, this man should remain in office and put this party together. Yes! Let me tell you, yes. In America, they didn't have someone like Damagu in 1892. That's why the party divided. But we are grateful to God that in Nigeria and in PDP, God gave us someone like Damagu to pilot the affairs of this party at this time. I'll give you for instance. The press has carried it. It's the president that settled the crisis in Rivers State. He commenced the crisis. I can tell you, based on our investigation, it was the national chairman, Ambassador Umar Damagu, that first got in touch with both factions of the warring factions of the this thing in Rivers State, both Wike and SYMFONI. He reached out to them, but because it's a party affairs, the news did not carry it. But when the president came into the picture, the news carried it, as if the man is doing nothing. But there are a lot of things this man is doing that cannot be said in the public because it's family affairs. Yes. There are a lot of things. See what is happening in Edo. We are reliably informed. We have members. Our members are across board. We have market women. We have Uber drivers. So we generate information. We are aware that the chairman is doing a lot to ensure that the party is united. If PDP is not united, there is no way we can be in a strong opposition. Yeah. That the national chairman should step down on what ground? Let me give you an instance. A lot of people are ill-informed about the activities of this man. The first time in the history of Yobe State, under his leadership, PDP won the presidential election. Under Damagu leadership. I will give you a secret. Maybe it's not out on the media, but our investigation has revealed how much is this man inherited from the outgone chairman. How much? We called for him to give account, but our investigation revealed that PDP generated over 11 billion. Out of the 11 billion, go and ask how much remained before Damagu took over as acting chairman. 4 million. Out of the 4 million, 3 million was garnished. 1 million from March to date. How do they pay staff salary? Are you going to tell the press that one as national chairman? You cannot come and do that. And that's why we say we want to educate party faithfuls. That people are coming here to say things that are not true about the national chairman. Damagu has done a lot. Look at the way he handled the national secretary issue. If Damagu were to pick the person that the Southeast brought, there would have been a crisis. Because you will have reason to go, because the other party too has brought court order. He said, let the acting deputy national chairman act pending the resolution of the crisis. That is the way it should be, and that is why we have deputies. Just the same way handle every court issues. We are also using this opportunity to appeal to our party faithfuls that have court issues should withdraw their court matters. Just like the national chairman, one thing caught our fancy about him. If not, we started the IU must go. We started the Secondus must go. But this is the first national chairman that we have come out openly to support. And what is our reason? Because when they met the leaders, the stakeholders met in Bauchi, he said, let bygone be bygone. Yes. In other words, let the party leaders come together. Yes. And it is only when we come together, we can give Nigerians the desired opposition that they have been crying for. If we don't have a united PDP, Nigeria will slide into a one-party state. And we don't want that. Fine. When would they call a night meeting to resolve all these things? Night meeting, there are process. I'm standing here, not because none of us are refract here. I was a member of the National Campaign Council for Bayelsa. So I'm talking with authority. That when they say call next meeting, there are processes going. You have to go about to call for next meeting. You have to meet, the caucus have to meet, NWC have to meet, the MBOT have to meet. And outside that, since there is no unity, they want to consult, douse tension before they call for next meeting. We want a party. If we have a net meeting without a PDP, what will it benefit us? We want a PDP with a net meeting. That is what we stand for. No, we condemn it in totally. We stand with the party in that regard. Most especially, what happened in Plateau State is heartbreaking. And that is one of the things that has informed our coming out. 16 members all failed the election. We know the Supreme Court of this land is the highest law-making body. Is the number one court in this land. And the court has given judgment, even recently, that courts don't have jurisdiction over pre-election matters. Over pre-election matters. Plateau State matter is a pre-election matter. Whether court disobedience, irrespective of court disobedience or not, it is a pre-election matters. Look at it there first, before you jump to saying that they disobey court order. And the Constitution, the court also said in a judgment, if you look at the Supreme Court judgment, I think between, I've forgotten, I would have cited the case, where the court says that the court cannot decide and interfere in the internal affairs of the party. Congresses is internal affairs of PDP. Choosing of candidates is internal affairs of PDP. So why would the court, based on that, now say they want to remove our governor? They have removed already 16 members, of about 16 assembly members and 5 National Assembly members. For crying out loud, it doesn't happen anywhere. And Nigerians, we are calling on Nigerians, please, that we should stand up against this. Judiciary was the last hope of the common man, but today it seems judiciary is no longer the hope of the common man. And that's why we are here to call on our leaders to rally around Damagu for him to be able to unite the party so we can provide the needed oppositions that Nigerians are yearning from PDP. That is why we are here today. Family, there are disagreements. It's little misunderstanding. It's interest. And they are trying to put it together. Yeah. So it doesn't mean husband and wife quarrel, father and mother, children quarrel. That is what is happening. And Wike has said it. He said this is party affairs. Sim has said it. He said this is father and son affairs. Other people have said it. So why not support this national chairman, for crying out loud? So we come together and give Nigeria what they expect of us.
PDP!